and there's that stuff in there. Yeah, I mean, these waves are already pretty big for this boat.
Yeah.
We're not, if we're being honest with ourselves here. We shouldn't be out here in the first place. This is a small boat. Oh.
We're already...
I don't know why there's people comfortably doing this.
I'm comfortably doing
this. This is like a spawn, Curtis.
This is how you have fun. You don't know. In Orlando, we do this in hurricanes. Is it warm?
Yeah.
Oh, hell yeah. Fuck yeah. What could possibly go wrong?
It looks like he's just getting sprayed in the face with water the whole time.
Oh! It's underwater. He's invented a new sport.
That was a lot of water in my nose.
Oh yeah. What was that all about?
Waves.
The waves? I don't know, man. I don't see any waves. Another round of windsurfing. This is one of the most exhausting sports I've tried. Jibing? No higher? The pin's right here, so we're gonna tack around in a minute. Ready to tack here? Tacking in 2, 1, go, tack, no, tack, tack. Lots of pressure. Pinch up a little bit more through that stuff. Bring it up a little bit here. We have lots of power. No higher, no higher, no higher. Keep the foot on the pedal. Ready? Tacking in 2, 1, tack. All right, start putting the bow down here. Start putting the bow down. All right, hoist. No lower, Bill. Fuck. We've got pressure. You can put it down here. Put the bow down a little bit. Ready to jibe? No, hold on, Bill. Okay, jibing. Hold on, get it flying first. Jibing.
Head down, head down.
Yeah, he's okay. You okay, Bill? Okay. Hold on. Go, go, go. Ready? Let go, let go, let go. Let go. Oh, we're going over. I'm just gonna get it in. Coming up. Well, I've never flipped one of these before, so glad to know I can unflip it. Okay, just start pulling stuff into the boat, honestly. We're gonna go in! Woo! That was gnarly. Wait till you see what happened to everyone else. And that's just one of the many casualties from today. I have to salute you, my friend. That was incredible that you guys got this up. This thing almost sank right off the pier. They're pumping water out of it right now.
You know, being in the water was the warmest I've been all day.
About an hour later, still draining. All right, so here's the other casualty. Dude, honestly, I've never seen a lightning boom broken.
Honestly, neither have I. I've seen the mast break. I've never seen this. We didn't really have that much bang on. We already had the jib down. This is after the race.
Did you put the main down?
Yeah, we took the main down immediately.
Okay.
Took the main down immediately, and then there was too much current to sail in, so we called for a tow. So we're gonna get a new boom for tomorrow. I mean, the boom's 25 years old, so older than any of us.
25 years old.
You know what? It is what it is.
I guess you break
Shit
when
happens.
you're 25.
It could have been in a worse time. Luckily, we finished the race. Nobody got hurt. Can't be too pissed off because obviously people have had worse days than we had. So,
we almost had a worse day.
Yeah, so everyone seems like they had a worse
This
day.
makes our situation look better than everyone else's.
Yeah, exactly. So.